How to hide or unhide tagged photos on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide or unhide tagged photos on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram app, please visit your App Store or your Play Store and check if your Instagram is up to date. If not, just tap on Update so that you will have the latest features within the app. After you have made sure of that, let's just head on and open Instagram right here. And first things first, you should be at your profile page. If you're from your home page or from any other page, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner so that you'll be at your profile page. After that, just click on this icon right here. So this will be the page where you can see all the photos you have been tagged into. So if you want to hide or unhide a specific tagged photo, just select that photo from this page and click on this three dotted button at the top right corner of the post and click on tag options. And then you should have the option to hide this tagged photo from your profile. So just click on hide from my profile, and that should not be seen from your profile anymore. If you want to unhide that, just tap on the three dotted button again and click on the tag options and click on show on my profile. You can also choose to remove the tag from this post, so just click on that if you really want to completely remove the tag from this post. But I'm just going to click on show on my profile right here, and that is how you basically unhide the tagged photo. So for future purposes, you can also click on this top right corner icon that has a 3-bar line. Click on settings and click on privacy right here. Click on posts, and you can actually customize which photos or which people who can tag you to a post. So if you can see this section right here, you can just choose to allow tags from everyone, people you follow, or also no one. So just tap on no one if you don't want to allow tags from anyone, and your products won't be tagged in posts as well. And you can also manually approve tags right here. Just click on that and you will see the tag posts, and you can just click on this toggle button so that you will control every future tag post that will be on Instagram. So that is how you can basically hide or unhide tagged photos on Instagram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.